Over 60, what if you could start regaining leg strength in just 12 hours without grueling workouts or expensive supplements? It may sound unbelievable, but scientists have discovered 5 everyday foods that can quickly restore muscle power, improve circulation, and reduce morning stiffness. Many seniors struggle with heavy, unresponsive legs, especially when standing up, climbing stairs, or even taking a short walk. The frustrating part? Most don't know why it's happening or how to fix it. These 5 foods work naturally to reactivate dormant muscle fibers and support joint health, helping you move with confidence and independence. One of them is surprisingly common, yet most people overlook it every day. Over the next few minutes, I'll show you exactly what to eat and how it can help you feel steadier, stronger, and more energized in as little as 12 hours. Food number 5 on our list is lentils, a simple, humble pulse that has quietly earned its place as a powerhouse for rebuilding leg strength. You might not think of lentils as remarkable, but their impact is profound, especially for seniors looking to regain mobility. Packed with slow-digesting carbohydrates, high-quality protein, potassium, magnesium, and leucine, lentils provide the essential building blocks your muscles need to recover and thrive. Slow-digesting carbs give your body steady energy, preventing the midday crashes that leave legs feeling heavy and fatigued. Protein supplies the raw material for repairing muscle fibers, while leucine, an amino acid, triggers muscle synthesis, helping you rebuild strength even if you haven't exercised vigorously. Potassium and magnesium support healthy nerve signaling and muscle contraction, which directly improves leg stability and endurance. Clinical studies consistently show that seniors who incorporate lentils into their diet experience noticeable improvements in muscle function. One research project found that regular consumption of lentils increased leg endurance and reduced fatigue, allowing participants to climb stairs more easily and walk longer distances without discomfort. Many seniors report that after just a day of including lentils at lunch or dinner, their legs feel lighter and movement becomes smoother, giving a sense of freedom that was once limited. This immediate response is more than a pleasant surprise. It's a reminder that your body is capable of rapid recovery when it receives proper nutrition. Preparing lentils is simple, practical, and adaptable. A typical portion for rebuilding leg strength is about half a cup of cooked lentils per meal. You can simmer them with anti-inflammatory spices like turmeric, cumin, or paprika to enhance both flavor and nutrient absorption. Pairing them with a small amount of healthy fat, such as olive oil, further supports the delivery of fat-soluble vitamins and helps balance blood sugar levels. Including lentils at lunch or dinner ensures your muscles receive essential nutrients during the day or overnight, optimizing recovery and helping you wake up feeling steadier on your feet. Over time, these small but consistent dietary changes reduce reliance on refined carbs and processed foods, replacing them with sustainable energy and muscle support. Beyond the physical benefits, lentils bring psychological reassurance. Each meal becomes an act of empowerment, a choice that directly supports your independence and mobility. Imagine finishing a plate of lentils and noticing your knees feel less stiff, your steps lighter, your balance more confident. That simple act of eating transforms into a tangible sense of control over your body's strength. It's not magic, but science-backed nutrition at work. Lentils lay the foundation for recovery, but their effect is amplified when combined with complementary nutrients found in the next food on our list, which supports both endurance and circulation, further enhancing leg power. The journey to stronger legs begins here, with a pulse that has quietly helped generations regain vitality, one meal at a time. Food number 4 on our list is farro, an ancient grain that has been nourishing people for thousands of years, and it holds remarkable benefits for leg strength and endurance. Farro is packed with magnesium, fiber, B vitamins, and plant-based protein, creating a combination that fuels muscles while supporting overall energy and balance. For seniors, even short walks or standing for a few minutes can sometimes feel exhausting. Farro works to change that, providing slow-releasing energy that prevents fatigue and allows your muscles to perform steadily without the sudden dips that leave your legs feeling heavy. The magnesium supports proper muscle contraction and nerve function, while the B vitamins help convert food into energy efficiently, giving your legs a natural boost from within. Scientific studies confirm that incorporating whole grains like farro into daily meals improves endurance and mobility. Research has shown that seniors who regularly eat nutrient-rich grains experience better balance and stability, reduced leg fatigue, and an increased ability to walk longer distances without discomfort. By strengthening the energy pathways and supporting muscle protein synthesis, farro doesn't just help you move more easily, it empowers your body to rebuild resilience. Many older adults notice a difference in just a few days, with legs feeling lighter and movement smoother, turning small dietary choices into visible, tangible improvements. Cooking farro is simple, yet its versatility makes it both enjoyable and practical. Start by soaking the grains for a few hours to reduce cooking time and enhance digestibility, then boil them until tender but still slightly chewy. Pairing farro with steamed vegetables or a source of protein, such as legumes or fish, creates a nutrient-dense meal that amplifies the benefits for your legs. The fiber helps regulate digestion, keeping energy steady throughout the day, while the combination of protein and minerals supports muscle recovery, especially after light movement or activity. Including farro at lunch or dinner ensures your muscles are nourished when they need it most, helping you wake up feeling steadier on your feet. Beyond the science and nutrition, farro brings a sense of control and empowerment. Each bite becomes a choice towards stronger legs and greater independence, replacing the uncertainty and fatigue that so often comes with aging. Picture yourself ascending a staircase, or walking down the street without hesitation, feeling energy flow steadily through your muscles, your balance firmer, your confidence restored. This simple ancient grain lays the groundwork for lasting endurance, setting the stage for the next powerful addition to your diet. A tiny seed with surprisingly potent effects that targets both strength and circulation, complementing the benefits of farro. The journey to regaining leg strength continues, one meal at a time, and the results are both immediate and cumulative, showing that even small, thoughtful changes in your diet can produce meaningful, science-backed improvements in how your body moves. Food number 3 may be small, but its impact is enormous. Chia seeds are tiny, nutrient-dense powerhouses that can transform leg strength and mobility. Many seniors are surprised to learn that such a small seed carries omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, magnesium, and antioxidants, all working together to support muscle recovery, reduce inflammation, and improve circulation. When inflammation in the legs decreases, stiffness and discomfort ease, making movement smoother and less taxing. Omega-3s in particular have been studied extensively for their role in muscle repair and vascular health, ensuring that oxygen and nutrients reach your muscles efficiently, allowing them to respond quickly and recover faster. For someone struggling with heavy aching legs, this is a game changer, offering a natural food-based way to regain vitality. The effects of chia seeds can be surprisingly fast. Many seniors notice reduced morning stiffness and steadier steps within hours of adding chia to their meals. Legs feel lighter, movements more fluid, and the simple act of standing or walking can become less of a struggle. These seeds are versatile and easy to incorporate into daily routines. Soaking them in water for a few minutes allows them to expand, creating a gel that can be stirred into smoothies, mixed with yogurt, or sprinkled over oatmeal. This preparation not only improves digestibility but also ensures maximum absorption of their potent nutrients. Even a small tablespoon a day can initiate noticeable improvement, turning a simple dietary choice into an empowering step towards stronger legs and greater independence. Chia seeds do more than support physical health. They bring psychological reassurance and hope. When you see your legs responding quickly, the feeling of control over your own body is profound. Imagine waking up and taking your first steps with less effort, walking to the kitchen or garden with confidence, noticing balance returning, and sensing that your body is cooperating rather than resisting. It's the kind of immediate, tangible feedback that motivates consistency, showing that small, deliberate changes have real power. Studies back this up, demonstrating that omega-3 rich foods like chia enhance muscle recovery and reduce markers of inflammation, which translates directly to better endurance, steadier balance, and less fatigue. Incorporating chia seeds into your diet also creates a foundation for the other nutrients your legs need. Their anti-inflammatory effects complement the protein and minerals from earlier foods, amplifying benefits for mobility and strength. By taking this small but significant step, you're investing in your future ability to move freely, avoid falls, and maintain independence. The visual of walking smoothly, climbing stairs without strain, or enjoying a morning stroll becomes not just possible, but attainable. And as you integrate chia seeds into your meals, you'll be ready to meet the next food on our list, a protein-rich powerhouse that works hand in hand with Chia to continue rebuilding leg strength, showing that consistent, science-backed nutrition can yield results faster than most seniors ever expect. Food number 2 on our list is edamame, young soybeans that pack an impressive nutritional punch for seniors looking to regain leg strength and energy. These bright green pods are more than just a snack. They are a plant-based protein powerhouse, providing high-quality protein and all essential amino acids your muscles need to repair and respond. But their benefits don't stop there. Edamame also contains isoflavones, plant compounds that improve circulation, while magnesium and potassium support proper muscle contraction and nerve signaling. Together, these nutrients help your legs respond more quickly, reduce fatigue, and maintain strength throughout the day, giving you the confidence to move freely without hesitation. Scientific research backs up the remarkable effects of soy protein on older adults. Studies have shown that seniors consuming soy protein regularly experience measurable improvements in leg strength, endurance, and reduced muscle fatigue. In practical terms, that means climbing stairs feels easier, standing from a chair is less of a struggle, and short walks become more enjoyable instead of exhausting. Many participants in these studies reported noticing benefits within hours, reflecting how quickly the body can respond when it receives the right nutrients. This immediate feedback is encouraging, demonstrating that small dietary changes can have tangible, empowering results. Incorporating edamame into your daily routine is simple, convenient, and delicious. Steaming the pods preserves their nutrients, and a light sprinkle of salt or seasoning enhances flavor without adding unnecessary calories. A standard portion of about half a cup provides enough protein to stimulate muscle recovery while keeping energy levels steady, making it an ideal afternoon snack or addition to dinner. Eating edamame at these times ensures your legs have the building blocks they need during peak activity hours or overnight repair, supporting sustained strength and mobility. The process is quick, manageable, and offers immediate physical reinforcement as your legs begin to feel lighter and more responsive. Beyond the science, edamame also provides psychological reassurance. When you choose this simple, plant-based protein, each bite becomes a deliberate act of empowerment, showing your body that it can regain energy, balance, and independence. Imagine taking confident steps across the kitchen, climbing stairs without wincing, or walking to the garden without fear of fatigue. The very feeling of movement transforms your day. These visible, rapid results encourage consistency, reinforcing that your efforts matter and that you can take control of your body's strength. Edamame also complements the other foods we've discussed, creating a synergy of protein, minerals, and anti-inflammatory nutrients that maximize leg recovery and endurance. As you integrate these young soybeans into your meals, you're laying the groundwork for the final food on our list, a nutrient-rich option that combines healthy fats and protein, designed to sustain energy, protect muscles, and complete this powerful lineup for restoring leg strength. By following this sequence, each small, mindful choice builds upon the last, showing that a few targeted foods can help seniors move more confidently, regain independence, and feel the renewed vitality of strong, capable legs. The final food on our list is mackerel, a fatty fish packed with omega-3 fatty acids, vitamin D, and high-quality protein, making it one of the most effective allies for regaining leg strength and overall mobility. Many seniors experience morning stiffness, aching joints, and heavy legs that make even simple movements challenging. Mackerel addresses these issues at the root. Omega-3s reduce inflammation in muscles and joints, helping your legs feel lighter and move more freely. Vitamin D supports bone and muscle health, while protein provides the raw material for muscle repair and growth. Together, these nutrients create a powerful combination that helps muscles respond quickly, joints stay flexible, and energy return to tired legs. Scientific studies consistently support the benefits of fatty fish for older adults. Research shows that diets rich in omega-3s improve muscle protein synthesis, enhance recovery, and reduce markers of fatigue, directly impacting leg strength and endurance. Seniors who include mackerel in their meals often notice tangible changes by the next morning. Stepping out of bed feels easier, walking down the hallway is smoother, and climbing stairs no longer triggers worry or discomfort. This immediate feedback not only boosts physical performance, but also restores confidence, reminding you that your body still has the ability to respond and regain independence with the right nutrition. Preparing mackerel is straightforward and adaptable to your routine. Baking or grilling a small fillet preserves its nutrients while keeping flavors simple and enjoyable. A portion of about 100 to 150 grams per meal is sufficient, and pairing it with slow digesting carbohydrates such as farro, lentils, or steamed vegetables ensures steady energy and enhances muscle recovery. Including mackerel at dinner supports overnight repair, helping your legs wake up stronger, lighter, and more responsive. Over time, integrating this fish consistently lays the groundwork for lasting mobility, turning a simple meal into a strategic step toward independence and vitality. For maximum impact, mackerel can be combined with the other foods we've discussed. Start your morning with chia seeds, in yogurt, or oatmeal to reduce inflammation and improve circulation. Enjoy lentils or farro at lunch for sustained energy and muscle support, and finish the day with mackerel for repair and flexibility. This cumulative approach ensures your muscles receive a steady supply of essential nutrients, allowing your legs to respond faster, fatigue less, and regain strength in ways you may have thought were no longer possible. By stacking these foods thoughtfully, you are not just eating for today, you are creating a system that strengthens your legs, supports joint health, and restores confidence in your mobility. The most important step is simple. Pick one of these foods today. Notice how your legs respond tomorrow, how your movements feel smoother, and how your energy returns. Each choice is a small but meaningful victory, a reminder that your body is capable of change and resilience. Over time, gradually incorporating the remaining foods will create cumulative benefits, transforming stiffness and weakness into strength and ease. Empower yourself with knowledge and action. This is your opportunity to regain independence, reduce fatigue, and move confidently again. Share your experiences in the comments, and if you found this guide helpful, like and subscribe to continue learning simple, science-backed ways to support your health and mobility. Your journey to stronger, lighter legs begins today, and each mindful meal brings you one step closer to the independence and vitality you deserve.